Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will explore a powerful mnemonic technique known as the Odyssey Technique. This method will revolutionize the way you learn, recall, and retain information. Memory is the treasury and guardian of all things. As we all know, memory plays a vital role in shaping our understanding of the world and influences our success in various aspects of life. Here at Virtutor Online, our goal is to help you improve your memory by teaching you the Odyssey Technique. This is a technique used to remember information through association. Now, let me give you a brief background on the technique. It is a technique that has been used for ages, dating back to ancient Rome with Marcus Cicero and even timeless novels such as Sherlock Holmes. And now we pass the torch on to you. I'm sure you're wondering how all this works. Well, spatial awareness has been key to human survival. In the past, human beings survived because of their ability to remember specific locations, be it for food, shelter, or even to stay away from danger. Because of this, our ability to remember locations is very good. This technique uses that ability to help us remember things outside of that. Because this is something that comes naturally to us, it is not a difficult technique to learn, and it improves our retention and recall, enables us to organize the information we have in our minds, and gives us a competitive advantage over our peers because most are not aware of this amazing method. It can be applied in many ways, such as memorizing lists, learning new languages, recalling historical facts, studying for exams, remembering names and faces, and even processes. Thank you so much for listening to this presentation. Up next is a demonstration of how it works in a live setting. We look forward to seeing you join this course because we know for a fact it's going to change your life. Thank you.